Good morning guys, welcome back to a new video. This time it's not going to be a coffee talk, but this is going to be a tea talk. I feel it's been quite a while that I've done actually one of these like chatty coffee talks, and I think the last one was in Amsterdam, so yeah, that was like last year. So this is the new one of 2019. I'm back in New York City right now, finally, after like the holidays and like with a lot of like work, and Fashion Week was there, so it was kind of like crazy and like running around. In my holiday video in December, I let you guys know that I opened up a PO box and that you guys could write me letters, and I came home and this is just crazy. I received so many letters of you guys. I received beautiful presents. I received like a book, which was amazing. I received jewelry, and honestly I just want to thank you guys. And I am just going to show you guys quickly how much work I have to do, because you know, I just want to write all of you guys back with a personal letter. So I'm sorry it's taking a while, but I am working on it, and I'm just going to show you guys quickly. So these are already letters I wrote, and look what I found in my mail. And then we have another bag here. Look at all of this. Like, this is so absolutely gorgeous. And honestly guys, when I received all of this, I was just kind of flabbergasted. I was just like, oh my god, I did not really expect that. And I started reading all the letters, and honestly, thank you so much for writing me wonderful letters and sharing your story as well, because I feel it for me it's really fun to kind of get to know my subscribers through the letters as well, because you guys know so much about me, but I don't know yet so much about you guys. So thank you. Yeah, so in today's coffee video talk, I am going to make a golden latte, and to stay in the golden vibe while I am writing my letters, I am going to do like a golden face mask, because that's what I normally do when I watch TV or when I write letters, or if I work on something, I put like a face mask on. So yeah, let's go to the kitchen and I'm gonna show you guys how I make this golden latte. So the first thing I do, I put a little pan on a low heat, and I'm adding some oat milk, and I kind of tried to avoid dairy, so this oat milk was absolutely fantastic. It's one of my favorites. You can also use almond milk or anything else. Then I'm adding 1 inch of fresh ginger, and this will really give the golden latte a nice taste. Then I'm adding 1 teaspoon of turmeric, and I'm adding a touch of cinnamon. And last but not least, I'm adding some raw organic honey to sweeten it a little bit. Swirl it around a little bit on a low heat and wait until it's cooking. Wait until you see the foam a little bit, and then it is ready. So, and my golden latte is finished. So because of the turmeric which is in there, it is very good for like anti-inflammatory, and it really like helps to like detox and cleanse your body. With milk sometimes it can be a little bit like heavy, but I really like this to drink in the evening, like kind of when I go to bed, like I feel kind of tired. And you know, I don't know if you guys had this as well, but as kids, if you couldn't sleep, your mom or dad would give you hot milk. So I kind of feel this is a good version of that. So I got my hot drink, and I'm going to do like a quick face mask on, and then I'm going to start with all the letters. I have a tiny bit of concealer on, so I'm using this VERSO makeup remover, And I've been using this already for a while, and it's super gentle because I have a very sensitive skin, so I really like it. And I'm going to use this face cleanser by M61. And there's like grapefruit and mandarin orange in there, and it really like cleans out everything, and it's a little bit foamy as well. I always make sure to really clean out my face before applying any like face mask or oil or anything. So okay, I'm gonna rinse this off quickly. So I've never tried this golden mask myself, but it is from MICELLAR, and she does like quite often facials for me, also like before the Victoria's Secret show, and she uses like a real gold mask. The times I went there and she tried it on me, it felt absolutely amazing, so I'm gonna try this myself. And this mask, it really like makes your skin like elastic, tones, and it purifies, and I feel it just gives your skin just like a better texture, and it feels like elastic. So what I have to do first, I have to put this like anti-wrinkle mask on first. I really hope this is gonna work out well, because I don't want to screw up like a golden mask, of course. So apparently Cleopatra used to use gold for her perfect skin. So I feel there the inspiration is coming from. Let's see if I am going to shine the same as Cleopatra after this face mask. Here are the golds. Oh, I'm so sorry guys about the background noise. There's like huge construction going on. It's like always in New York. Okay. I'm gonna go this side. Wow, okay, so this is the golden face mask. You know, when I did the mask before, obviously I was, ooh, it's a little bit in my hair. I was laying down with my eyes closed, so I couldn't really see it, but this is incredible. Like, wow. Looks so fancy. This is amazing. It feels actually really, it feels very nice, I have to say, yeah. Well, with my golden latte and my golden face mask, I feel already like Cleopatra. So now I am going to start writing and reading all you guys' letters. So we are 10 minutes further, and I literally have only done 2 letters, so just imagine how long this will take me. And again, I'm so sorry guys, it takes a little while, but I really want to read like every letter and just respond to it personally. So it is coming. The first letters are on their way, and honestly I'm quite embarrassed for my handwriting as well, so just so you guys know, it's not the prettiest. I hope you guys can read it as well. I should have put more effort in it in school. Anyway, it is time to take off the face mask, or actually the funny part is you don't really take off this face mask. I have to wet my fingertips and then just gently massage the gold into my skin. So I'm very curious. I I blend everything into my skin, and the rest, the leftovers, I am going to wash off. So all the gold is off my face, and then to refresh I'm going to use this OMOROVICZA facial mist, kind of like to hydrate. And on top of that, this STURM rich face cream, because it is winter. I need a very rich cream, and I really like this one. So yeah, you can kind of see that even though you are being productive, you can do like a little skincare routine. I often do like a face mask while I'm watching TV, or when I am studying, or when I am cleaning as well. So guys, this is going to be the end of my tea talk. If you write a letter, then keep your eyes open for these envelopes. They're actually recycled paper, so that's why this color. Also, if you didn't write a letter and you still want to tell me something, or you want to ask me something, then write me a comment down below. The first like 24 hours, I normally respond to everything. So yeah, give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe, don't forget to put on notifications so you won't miss any other video. Have a good day.